Next, I would like to turn to 4K OLED televisions. Earlier this year, we announced that we had expanded our lineup of 4K Pro OLED TVs to 2 new series in sizes ranging from 55-inch to 77-inch. Today, I am pleased to announce that this autumn, the biggest and most beautiful OLED TV we have ever made, the 77-inch EZ1000, will reach the stores in Europe. And here it is. It is, of course, like all our OLED TVs, Ultra HD Premium certified. And like all our OLEDs this year, the 77-inch is designed according to our art and interior concept to blend harmoniously into your living room. It also delivers extraordinary sound thanks to the 70-watt dynamic blade speaker, which has been extensively tuned by our technics engineers, including myself. However, once again, it is the high dynamic range picture quality on such a large screen, which delivers unparalleled impact. Like all our OLEDs, the 77-inch, of course, uses HCX2 processor, the most powerful image processor we have ever put in a TV, and designed to deliver delta zero accuracy, or in other words, the most accurate colors possible on consumer-grade TV. The accuracy of our EZ1000 series TVs was recently testified to at a shootout hosted by the highly respected HDTV test review site. The shootout featured flagship TVs from all 4 major brands and based on votes by over 30 enthusiasts. The EZ1000 was crowned as the best TV of 2017 for delivering the most accurate color, contrast, and uniformity when viewing films.